Yes guys, welcome back to Sure Gold, sponsored by Goldminearoma. How are you doing today? Awesome, right? Oh, thank you. I see all your comments. Oh, I saw the inbox. Don't worry, I am going to reply one after the other. Thank you for always tuning in. We appreciate you. Yes, it's another recipe today, you know, just as we keep it simple and short. So this is just a toast in eggs and veggie. We have a coleslaw, we have eggs, we have bread. I cut my sliced bread into two. So we just want to make a very simple recipe. So our eggs,
look at this tasty, delicious snack, guys. This is very, very, very nutritious. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share with all your friends and family. Make sure to also leave a comment, letting me know what you think about the video. Until next time.